we are witnessing, well, they're witnessing an eclipse for the first time in their life. We are April 8th, 2024. It's currently getting dark. It was really bright before.
Look, it's so skinny.
I cannot look with my naked eyes.
Oh, yeah, true.
So we have these glasses. They got them from their school. Let me see if I could put you guys in here. You guys can see.
We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried. Purified, Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Purified, Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn.
It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, 'cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. 'Cause I got you. Ooh. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go high. Feel the spirit overflow, flow, yeah. It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question. Holy Ghost inside, precious gift from the Lord, oh, it changed my life. Greater than anything I imagined. Oh, I made it here, yeah, all because I got you. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, I got you. Ooh, ooh.
Things. Say, where are my keys? Oh,
I'm trying to force
Stretch your legs, guys.
Oh my God, you amaze me, you're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage, so let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes. And I just be stuck in the days, and you tell me that it's not about the way I sing. Then you question me for why I'm even questioning, cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't commit my own name, cause I